Hey guys, welcome to Tech for Belgaum. Our platform will serve as a resource for high school students in Belgaum interested in learning a little more about computer science. I recommend watching this video before watching our tutorials on different programming languages. A little bit about me. My name is Sai and I am a high school student in the US. I'm creating this organization to give students in Belgaum the opportunity to learn computer science. If you like our tutorials, we appreciate if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's get started. Well, if you don't know already, what is programming? Well, computers are not very smart. They are fast and capable of doing many things, but they aren't able to do anything on their own. So how do we tell a computer what to do? Well, the process of telling a computer what to do is called programming. In other words, humans can communicate with the computer through programming. But there's one slight problem. Computers don't understand programming languages. They only understand something called binary code. So what is binary code? Well, binary code only has two characters, which are the numbers 0 and 1. Every word in binary code is made of zeros and ones. This is what the word hello would look like in binary code. As you can see, it is just a mixture of zeros and ones. Well, if computers can only understand binary code, how do we talk to computers? Well, we can use programming languages. What are programming languages? Well, programming languages were created to simplify the process of telling a computer what to do. Here is an example of how to print text on the screen using the Java programming language. We will cover this in more detail in our Java tutorials. So, how do programming languages work? We can think about it as two separate phases. Phase 1 is called compiling. This is when the computer converts the programming language into binary code, which we talked about earlier. Phase 2 is called executing. This is when the computer reads the binary code and follows what it says. You can think of binary code as a set of instructions. Fun fact, according to Wikipedia, there are over 700 programming languages. So what did we learn in today's tutorial? First, computers are not smart and need instructions in order to perform a certain task. Second, we communicate with computers using programming languages. And finally, computers convert programming languages into binary code, which consists of the numbers 0 and 1. And that wraps up our Tech for Belgaum introduction video. I hope you find our tutorials useful, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to us using the contact form located on our website. You can also email us at techforbelgaum@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.